In Pakistan, all eyes are on the continuing crisis around the hijacked passenger train, the Jafar Express. The Baluch Liberation Army is saying that there are close to 100 security personnel that are still in its custody. The Pakistan Army is saying that it has rescued close to 200 passengers and is claiming that it has killed 30 30 rebels, 30 militants of the BLA. The BLA, for its part, is claiming that it has already killed 30 Pakistani security personnel and is threatening to quote unquote execute more. The details are sketchy because the Pakistan military has not been very forthcoming with details, and there is a veritable Pakistan media blackout. Not many Pakistan TV channels are even reporting this standoff. It is an unprecedented situation. I'm Barkhadat. You're with the Mojo story. A viral video has surfaced of the first few moments when militants of the Baluch Liberation Army blew up rail tracks and took control of the passenger train, the Jafar Express, that runs between Peshawar and Quetta. We know now that the suicide wing of the BLA, the Majid Squad, as it is called, was involved in this hostile takeover of the passenger train. Suicide bombers of the BLA were sitting with passengers on board the Jafar Express. The BLA says that it released women, children, and other civilians belonging to Baluchistan. The Pakistan Army claims that it has rescued up to 200 passengers. There are differing versions of whether there are still Pakistani soldiers who have been taken hostage. The BLA says 100 hostages of the Pakistani military are still under its control. The Pakistan military denies these reports. What is clear is that the viral video shows that the BLA was able to act with impunity and autonomy, blowing up rail tracks, taking control of this train. It has led to Pakistani politicians in the mainstream of Baloch politics, like Akhtar Mengal, to today say that not an inch of Baluchistan is now within the control of the Pakistani government. What happens next? Is this moment going to lead to the possible balkanization of Pakistan? Will Pakistan lose control of Baluchistan? There are other politicians of Pakistan like Maulana Fazlur Rahman who have already warned in the Pakistan National Assembly that Pakistan has lost its grip on Baluchistan. Will Pakistan's grip on Baluchistan break completely? Will Pakistan break? I want to introduce my newsmaker on the program today. This is the perspective of somebody who has been part of the Baloch National Movement. Hakeem Baloch is with us. He's a spokesperson of the Baloch National Movement, and he is somebody who may have a very differing perspective from either us here in India or from the Pakistani military. Thank you, Hakeem Saab, for your time. Firstly, do you have any more details to tell us? We have very different and confusing perspectives coming out of Pakistan. The Pakistan military says they have rescued these passengers. The BLA says that it set women and children and people of Baluchistan free, the civilians who were from Baluchistan. Do you have any more information?
Thank you very much. Just to begin with, I'm grateful that you are having me on your show. And just to discuss the situation in Balochistan, I will just take it from where, the numbers of casualties. The Pakistani army is claiming that there are 30 people, 30 rebel were killed by them. This was coming after the Baloch Liberation Army has made the claim that they have, targeted the Pakistani military personnel who came after the attack to, rescue the I would say the train. And secondly, the people who were rescued, according to the Pakistani security forces, they have rescued them. But in reality, it was the Baloch Liberation Army. If you are following the events from yesterday morning up until the evening, the first statement makes it very clear that women and children, and as you mentioned, the citizens of Balochistan were released by the Baloch Liberation Army. Now, it is a very far-flung area where the train was hijacked. From there, going into the area, with more like, to get access to internet or something like that. That might have caused some time for them people to reach, and that is why the Pakistani state tried to use that in their time in their favor, stating that we rescued the people. But there were many, witness statements and testimonies of the people who were released. They are saying that the BLA said, we have nothing to do with
I
you.
want to play
They just
out.
released them.
I want to play this out. It's a clip of one of the passengers. वो खुल के कहते हैं कि हमें तो छोड़ दिया और 4
जी
घंटे बाद हम फलानी फलानी जगह पहुंचे. So I want to just play this clip out and I'll come right back to you, Hakeem Saab. Let's take a look.
सर हम लोग को छोड़ दिया, फिर बोला आप लोग जाएं भाई, अपना रास्ता पकड़ निकलते जाएं, आप लोग के साथ दुश्मनी नहीं है. हम लोग पैदल निकलते तो नीचे नहर में गिर गए. शहर में डाला तो बस निकलते गए, पानी पत्थर पानी. 4 घंटे हम लोग लगाया पानी से.
वहाँ पे खवातीन और बच्चे भी जख्मी हुए हैं.
अच्छा
सर, वहाँ से जब आप बल्ली पहुँचे, वहाँ पे एफसी वालों ने आपकी कितनी खिदमत किस तरह लेके आए?
वहाँ पर हम लोग की खिदमत तो ऐसी कोई नहीं की.
So he's very clearly saying कि अब वो the reporter is asking him आपकी खिदमत की, वो कहते खिदमत तो कोई नहीं की, हमें तो बोल दिया गया कि आप जाएं, हमें 4 घंटा लगा. I don't recognize the name of the place.
Yes.
इस जगह पहुंचने में. तो हकीम साहब, ये आप कह रहे हैं, just to clarify, आप कह रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तान आर्मी ने रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन लॉन्च नहीं किया, कि किया लेकिन इतने लोग नहीं बचा पाए और जो लोग बचे हैं वो बीएलए ने रिलीज किए. What do you say?
So what I'm saying is कि पाकिस्तान ने जो है इस वाक़ये के बाद वहाँ जाकर एक इनडिस्क्रिमिनेट जंग बीएलए के खिलाफ शुरू कर दी थी. वो चाहते थे कि उन्हें आइडिया नहीं था कि वहाँ कितने लोग हैं. वो उनका ये हो सकता है गुमान हो कि शायद देयर आर लाइक डज़न ऑफ मिलिटेंट्स, वो जाके उन्हें न्यूट्रलाइज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन ये जो लोग थे, ये तो बीएलए ने उनको टेक्निकली दे वर नेवर हॉस्टेजेस. अगर आप ये अंदाजा करें, they were there when they took over the train, when they hijacked it. They were
not hostages. Who were not hostages?
Yes, so they were not targeted as hostages by the PLA. These people, those who were released, who were freed.
The civilians.
Yes. So उनके लिए hostages तो military के लोग थे, जो अभी भी hostages हैं. 214 people in that clip. वो journalist उससे पूछते कि FC ने आपकी कोई मदद की? Like they're trying to narrate an idea, an agenda where they're trying to show कि FC लोगों की कितनी मदद कर रही है. But because he's an honest man, वो अपनी उनकी अभी life बची है. They are coming from a certain situation. He was clearly not lying. He was clearly not buying their propaganda. And he was saying, no, VLA ने हमें release किया है. जी.
You were saying, Hakeem Saab, that the BLA did not target the civilians as hostage. B, the hostages were released. At least the civilians among them were released.
The civilians were released. Yes.
Released. Now, अब आपने उसमें एक और जरूरी बात कही. आपने कहा 214 सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल पाकिस्तान मिलिट्री के अभी भी, according to you, are have been taken hostage by BLA. Is this still accurate? Is this according to your latest information?
So right before coming to the show, मैं कुछ statements वगैरह चेक कर रहा था और सोशल मीडिया से और कहीं और से इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर कर रहा था. So BLA is still intact. उनके वो अभी भी जो है ट्रेन को हॉस्टेज बनाए हुए हैं along with the military personnel. अब यहाँ पे एक न्यूज़ जो चल रही है which is not 100% कि BLA ने some of the hostages were taken out of the train. वो उनको कहीं और लेकर गए हैं. अब जो hostages हैं वो उनके मजीद ब्रिगेड यूनिट के साथ हैं. अब आपको पता है मजीद ब्रिगेड जो है एक सेल्फ सेक्रीफाइसिंग यूनिट है बलूच लिबरेशन आर्मी का. इफ दे आर विद द मजीद ब्रिगेड, सो दैट मीन दे आर इन डेंजर. अगर पाकिस्तानी forces are going to attack the Baloch Liberation Army in that situation.
But according to your latest information, the BLA is still in control of the train.
Yes.
तो जब पाकिस्तान आर्मी का बयान आता है कि 30 मिलिटेंट्स जो हैं BLA के वो मारे गए हैं, आप उसको एक्सेप्ट करते हैं? आप उसको डिसएग्री करते हैं?
See, obviously, for the minute, situation 100% clear नहीं है, लेकिन there is one thing which is very clear कि पाकिस्तानी स्टेट historically झूठ बोलती रही है ऐसे मामलों में अपने नुकसान छुपाने के लिए. On the other hand, आपको पता होगा बलूच लिबरेशन आर्मी या कोई दूसरा बलूच तंजीम जब भी उनका कोई मेंबर मारा जाता है, शहीद होता है, तो वो खुद ग्लोरीफाई करते हैं. वो खुद उनकी तस्वीर जो है पब्लिक करते हैं. वो उनके वीडियो स्टेटमेंट पब्लिक करते हैं और वो लोगों को ये बताते हैं कि ये जो है आपका भाई, आपके कौम का नुमाइंदा आपकी खातिर शहीद हुआ है. सो वन वे और अदर इफ the militants are being killed, they would bring it on. They are not going to, hide it because they know that even in that attack, if someone is being killed, they will be seen as a hero for the Baluch nation.
But you see, Pakistan is going to look at this and say that this is an act of terrorism against the state. A
Yes.
passenger train has been taken hostage. The BLA is, is a recognized terror group in Pakistan, and that this is actually hurting the Baluch cause. What would you say? Because violence against the institutions of any state will be seen as terrorism. So how do you respond to that?
Well, one man's terrorist is another man's freedom fighter. Bhagat Singh was terrorist for the Great Britain, but people like myself and other would consider him their hero because we know why he fought, why he stood for. Similarly, the if we have seen in Vietnam, the Vietnamese were terrorists, but at the end of the day, the world will sit with the people, those who show their strength, those who show their power. Today, the Baluch Liberation Army or any other Baluch organization are being called terrorists by the Pakistani state or, for that matter, internationally. Tomorrow, and I think the day are coming soon because Pakistan ki ab zarurat nahi rahi. The way the world looked at Pakistan during the era of the Cold War, during the era of the invasion of Afghanistan, where the United States were looking for an ally, but we all know that Osama bin Laden was in Pakistan, and the West does not trust Pakistan. They still, one way or other, need Pakistan, for their interests, but they do not trust Pakistan like a single penny. So Pakistan is going to face, I think, even more such attacks if the Pakistani state is not going to change their mentality and they're not going to recognize the true issue which the Baloch people are struggling for the last 7 decades.
Okay, you say one man's terrorist is another man's freedom fighter. Bhagat Singh was a terrorist for the British, a hero for India. We can have a philosophical debate around what is terrorism at another point in time. पर आपने एक सेंटेंस बोला, आपने कहा पाकिस्तान की जरूरत नहीं रही, पाकिस्तान की उस तरह से जरूरत नहीं रही, ऐसे और अटैक्स आएंगे. इसके बारे में जरा बताइए, क्या आपको लगता है कि ये इंसिडेंट एक टिपिंग पॉइंट है? विल पाकिस्तान break? Is Baluchistan now, after this, out of the control of the Pakistani state? And before you answer that, Akhtar Mengal hai, wo Baluchistan ke Pakistan ke MNA the, member of Pakistan's National Assembly. He resigned in protest against atrocities that he said the Pakistani military was committing on his people. उनका आज एक बयान आया ट्विटर पे, एक्स पर. उन्होंने कहा not 1 inch of Baluchistan now is in Pakistan government's control, and he said अब it's too late. This time it is beyond our control. मतलब वो अपने mainstream politicians की बात कर रही है, and it is beyond your control. He's telling the Pakistani state. क्या आपको लगता है कि ये एक point of no return आ गई है?
See, in Balochistan जो दो स्कूल ऑफ थॉट्स थे, जिनमें पार्लियामेंटेरियन पॉलिटिशियंस थे, नॉन पार्लियामेंटेरियन पॉलिटिशियंस, जैसे कि माई सेल्फ आई बिलोंग टू बलोच नेशनल मूवमेंट. बलोच नेशनल मूवमेंट एक पॉलिटिकल मूवमेंट है जो आर्म स्ट्रगल नहीं करती, लेकिन वो जो है पाकिस्तानी सिस्टम के अंदर रहकर सियासत नहीं करना चाहती. ऑन द अदर हैंड वी हैव बलूचिस्तान नेशनल पार्टी. तो अब जो है उनको ये अंदाज़ा हो रहा है कि आज से 10 साल 20 साल पहले जो बलूच नेशनल मूवमेंट या बलूच स्टूडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आज़ाद के साथी जो कहते थे, अब रियासत उनके साथ भी वैसा ही रवैया रख रही है। आपने देखा होगा अख्तर मेंगल की पार्टी हो या नेशनल पार्टी हो, उन्हें हुकूमत में रहते हुए भी किसी तरह के जो है अब क्या कहते हैं अथॉरिटीज़ नहीं थी। अथॉरिटी वाज़ ऑलवेज़ with a brigadier in Quetta, somewhere, in a
Hmm.
Kent. So they know that and what's happened in the last, I would say, 7 to 8 years in Baloch politics is the Baloch political dimension has changed. The historically Baloch the movement में जो है tribal chief जो है वो lead कर रहे थे, but now we see that the leader of the Baloch Liberation Army, Bashir Zeb Baloch, is a student. He was a student leader. He is belong to the middle class family. डॉक्टर अल्लाह नज़र बलोच गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हैं, डॉक्टर हैं, बीएसओ आज़ाद के चेयरमैन थे,
Hmm.
he is from the middle class family. So that has changed the notion because the people can relate to their new emerging leaders and they can relate with their ideologues. They can relate because they look like them. They were the people who came among them. और अभी
Hmm.
रिसेंटली आप देखें कि मतलब BYC है जो बलोच यकजहती कमेटी है या बलूच नेशनल मूवमेंट है जो इंटरनेशनली बलूचिस्तान के आज़ादी के कॉज को आगे बढ़ा रही है और ग्राउंड में जो बीवाईसी और दूसरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो राइट्स मूवमेंट है, आज उनके एक लीडर हैं गुलजादी बलूच और वो जो है खुद एक विक्टिम फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हैं, मिसिंग पर्सन फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हैं। उन्हें पाकिस्तानी फोर्सेस ने इन रिटेलिएशन टू द अटैक ऑन जाफर एक्सप्रेस उस एक लड़की को, एक एक्टिविस्ट को उठा के
Hmm.
मतलब उन्हें कुछ अरसे के लिए जबरी गुमशुदगी का शिकार बनाए, देन they brought her back, but this is the way, they are trying to intimidate और लोगों में प्रेशर बढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं, but this won't work.
Hmm. I want to ask you, the Baluch Liberation Army has been targeting, and in this old video, in fact, they gave a message also saying that these attacks are a message to both Pakistan and China. They've been targeting Chinese projects, right? The
Mhm.
CPEC and so on. And we were on another program having a very interesting thought that maybe after this incident, China will talk about wanting to put its own troops. China will tell the Pakistan army, भाई आप तो प्रोटेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाते किसी को, आपकी तो रिट चलती
जी
ही नहीं बलूचिस्तान में, कल को ग्वादर पोर्ट भी कोई हॉस्टेज ले ले, कल को हमारे, and we have also seen 2 Chinese nationals targeted earlier by the BLA. Now, why are the Chinese also a point of attack, and how do you see that dimension playing out कि कल को चाइना बोले भाई हमारी फौज भेजने दो हमें क्योंकि आपसे तो होता नहीं.
सो मैं आपके लास्ट क्वेश्चन पे पहले जवाब दूंगा कि देयर आर वी हमने सुना है और जैसे देखने में आ रहा है देयर ऑलरेडी टॉक्स दैट चाइना वो है पाकिस्तान को प्रेशराइज कर रहा है कि हमारे जो ट्रूप्स हैं उन्हें ऑन ग्राउंड में आने की इजाज़त दी जाए ताकि वी गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड सिक्योरिटी टू अवर ओन
Yeah.
इंजीनियर्स एंड द प्रोजेक्ट्स। तो ऑब्वियसली चाइना जो है एंड फॉर दैट मैटर बलूचिस्तान इज एन ऑक्यूपाइड टेरिटरी। That's the Baloch mindset. That's the idea of the Baloch Liberation Army, Balochistan Liberation Front, Baloch National Movement, BSO आज़ाद के बलूचिस्तान इस वक्त गुलामी के अंदर है। पाकिस्तान एक ऑक्यूपाइंग फोर्स है। बलोचों को जो है मारा जा रहा है, उठाया जा रहा है। ऐसे में अगर आप एक इंटरनेशनल कंपनी हो, आप एक बैरूनी मुल्क हो, आप बलूचिस्तान में आकर बलोचों की मर्जी और मंशा के बगैर, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द कंसेंट ऑफ द बलूच पीपल, आप उसके बगैर आके बलूचिस्तान में फिर चाहे आप उसे सीपैक का नाम दें, आप जो है
Hmm.
ग्वादर पोर्ट डेवलपमेंट का नाम दें, आप चाहे उसे रेकोडेक और सेंडेक का नाम दें, आप चाहे ये कहें कि मैं आपके लिए तरक्की ला रहा हूँ, बलूच उस तरक्की को नहीं चाहता। बलूच फर्स्ट एंड
Hmm.
फॉरमोस्ट चाहता ये है कि वो अपनी ज़मीन की हुक्मरानी, मिल्कियत, मालिकियत करे एंड देन ऑब्वियसली द बलूच विल सिट with all the regional powers. There is no doubt China is a very strong regional power along with India. As we see, they are the growing economy, and abhi jo internationally we are seeing that they are playing a crucial role, but they do need to understand, and especially China, because of their expansionist ideologues, that not every people will surrender to them, and for that matter, Baloch has a history of resisting, and they would continue their resistance.
Now, many Pakistani friends, commentators have called this a failure of the Pakistan army, this moment as a failure of the Pakistan army. Some of Pakistan's politicians have done what they always do, blame India at this point, right? For to try
Yeah.
and cover up their own failings. Um, how do you look at the authority of the Pakistan army today? कि जब मतलब अथॉरिटी तो डेंट हो गई ना ये जो हुआ है ये hostage situation. It has dented the authority of the Pakistan military, and the government is lashing out at our country,
Mm.
which it often does when things go wrong for it.
Yes. So it is obviously, in a way, India is a scapegoat for Pakistan. Anything happen in
Hmm.
Pakistan, in Balochistan or KPK or in Sindh, who to blame? India to blame. So क्योंकि वो उनके लोग उस narrative को खरीदते हैं because of the very idea that created Pakistan is the hatred against the Indian nation. तो एक तो ये है, तो दूसरा बात यहाँ पे हम ये सोचते हैं कि the writ of the state and especially the mighty military of Pakistan, which never stop bragging about being one of the powerful army with a nuclear arsenal. उसके बावजूद जो है बलूच फ्रीडम फाइटर बलूच सरमाचार with उनके पास ड्रोन नहीं थे, उनके पास जो है एयरक्राफ्ट नहीं थे, वो चलते हुए गाड़ियों पे आते हैं, वो मतलब आपके ट्रेन को हाईजैक करते हैं, देन दे कंटिन्यू दिस फॉर लाइक टुडे इज द सेकंड डे। लेकिन इससे पहले हमने देखा है कि उन्होंने सिटीज जो है अपने कब्जे में लिए हैं, बोलान अपने कब्जे में लिया है, खुजदार में उन्होंने मार्च किया है, लोगों से मिले, लाइक मिलिट्री परेड हैपेंड देयर। तो ये शो करता है कि बलूच जो है रेजिस्टेंस मूवमेंट एंड स्पेशली द बलूच लिबरेशन आर्मी वो इतने ताकतवर हो चुके हैं, वो अब पाकिस्तानी फ़ौज के सामने एक मोहकम और स्ट्रॉन्ग जो है पैरेलल फ़ोर्स है। पाकिस्तान अगर ये समझती है कि वो बलूचिस्तान पे अपने ज़ुल्म और जबर को कंटिन्यू कर सकता है, तो उसको रोकने के लिए आज बलोचों को पता है कि उनके पास ये लिबरेशन आर्मीज़ हैं, उनकी जो पाकिस्तानी स्टेट का मुकाबला कर सकती है।
Hmm. Let me ask you finally before Hakeem Saab, we let you go. And I want to return to the viral images that have surfaced of that moment when the BLA was able to take control of this passenger train that plies from Peshawar to Quetta. And you see they blow up the tracks first. You can see some images there. This video is now viral. Now
हुँ,
what? आपने कहा कि BLA आज अब इतनी मजबूत है कि इट हैज बिकम अ पैरेलल फोर्स। कुछ हफ्ते पहले पाकिस्तान के एक और नेता मौलाना फजलुर रहमान ने असेंबली में बोला, पाकिस्तान की पार्लियामेंट में बोला कि बलूचिस्तान हमारे हाथ से निकल गया है। कम से कम 5 to 6 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स बलूचिस्तान के ऐसे हैं that are in a position to declare आजादी almost. That's what he said. You say today that BLA has become so strong that it's like a parallel army. What happens next? Does the Pakistan military invite all of you for talks? Will you go? Will there be a back channel? क्या होगा? अब क्या होगा? आगे क्या होगा?
See, knowing the Pakistan's history, make it very clear about what Fazlur Rahman said, and then yesterday or day before yesterday in Balochistan Parliament, Israr Zairi, who is against the leader of the opposition in Balochistan, he also, said the same words that the writ of the government is not visible anywhere, but the writ of the PLA and BLFA can be seen in Balochistan. अभी जो बात है वो ये है कि टेबल टॉक्स, डिप्लोमेसी, डिस्कशन वो किस हद तक होंगे? पाकिस्तान जो है तारीखी हवाले से देखा जाए, एक ऐसा एक्सट्रीमिस्ट स्टेट है जो बात करने पर कभी भी आमादा नहीं होगा। देयर इज़
Hmm.
a strong chance that the families of those missing those hostages वो उन्हें प्रेशराइज़ करें बिकॉज़ वो मिलिट्री फैमिली से बिलॉन्ग करते हैं। लेकिन पाकिस्तान की हिस्ट्री को जानकर ये अंदाज़ा लगता है कि दे आर गोइंग टू सैक्रिफाइस ऑल देयर पीपल। They are not going to talk to the Baloch Liberation Army. If they're not going to talk to the Balochistan Liberation Army, it will be a big blow. I think पाकिस्तान इस खौफ में है कि अगर हमने बात की तो मिलिट्री के वो जो एक जलाल है, जो एक घमंड है पाकिस्तान के अंदर, वो खत्म हो
Hmm.
जाएगा। लेकिन बलूच ऑब्वियसली आर रेडी टू टॉक। on the terms of the independence of Balochistan. For the minute, अभी जो BLA ने अपने डिमांड पेश किए हैं, the Baloch supports them fully कि प्रिजनर जो हैं उन्हें रिहा किया जाए, क्योंकि बलूचिस्तान में आपको जैसे अंदाजा होगा हजारों की तादाद में पॉलिटिकल प्रिजनर्स हैं, स्टूडेंट एक्टिविस्ट हैं, जिनमें ऑब्वियसली प्रिजनर्स ऑफ वॉर भी हैं। बलोचों ने, बलोच लिबरेशन आर्मी ने एक बहुत ही इंतहाई प्रोफेशनल मैनर का मुजाहरा किया है। जो यरगमाली हैं, जो मिलिट्री पर्सनल हैं, उन्हें प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर का दर्जा दिया है, जबकि पाकिस्तान बलोच प्रिजनर्स ऑफ वॉर को एक या पॉलिटिकल प्रिजनर्स को वो दर्जा नहीं देता।
जी, तो आप कह रहे हैं कि द बलूच पीपल वुड बी रेडी टू टॉक, बट यू डोंट थिंक कि दैट ऑफर विल कम फ्रॉम द पाकिस्तान मिलिट्री, एंड इट इज योर फीलिंग कि जो लोग हॉस्टेज लिए गए हैं, पाकिस्तान सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल, पाकिस्तान might sacrifice them all. The point is that the information is so contradictory. The BLA is saying one thing, the Pakistan military is saying another thing. We will await clearer details on this. Hakeem Baloch, for now, thank you, shukriya हमसे बात करने
Thank
के
you.
लिए, and we'll try and catch up again with you to try and find out the latest on this situation. Thank you, take care. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.